Okay, so hey guys, today we're going to be playing some Minecraft. We're going to be showing y'all how to absolutely make a cave thing, cave house, cave system. I got to turn real quick. Yes, it works. I think. Change me. Okay, so guys, we spawned in this seed just for the mountain thing. Okay, it worked, but these are all white. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now that we got this, time to make our thing. So I built one of these before. It's very easy, how you know. Like, so all you had to do, it's very easy, trust me. Build 3 of these, like 3 of these blocks, and then let's say just put a like mark location thing, and then what you need is, this is just for the entrance. We're not done just yet. So now we do this. Actually, we do that, so it will push the block. So like, let's say you do like that for your block. It's because when you will do that, it's because this here is the entrance now. And we'll get back to that later. It's because right now we need to get this redstone system picked up. So, go over here where the pistons are. You might be asking, how are we going to get this top on? Well, that's easy. Okay, now that we got them, we make a system over here that leads over okay, never mind. So put some more bookshelves like here. Put the redstone over here. And now put a break like that pole. And now what you need to do is get a pressure plate. And now you put one right there, one right there. And actually, what you want to do is you want to actually get a lever and put it there. And now, look. Cover that up, and now that has happened, we just need to fix that. And also put that right there, the redstone, and like, oh, right, and do it. Oh! Okay, now that that's settled again, now your thing will be crushed like that, and Now you need to get your entrance. Now you need to actually start building. Like, and let's just, like, I'm too lazy to do this I'm too lazy to actually do this, so I'm just going to use the command. You don't have to, but I'm just going to use it. -90. You don't have to use it, but I am. It's because I'm kind of lazy today. So. And now that you got this, you need to go.
And guys, if you need torches, you can use some torches.
Or you can just use lanterns.
Yeah.
For like that nice style. Now you need to do air. I'm just going to do this. And now you got a big fat room. And if you want a lot of decoration, like,
just get fancy.
Yeah, just get fancy. And also, you need an iron barn for the fireplace. It's because I hope y'all really like the fireplace that I'm going to build. Okay, now that we got that, you wanna go back outside. Go back outside. Like, build like a little pillar. Like right here. And then like put a fireplace in there instead. And now it will look like you got a chimney on there. And now, for more detail, you need to put like your bed in there, lanterns. So let's get the lanterns. And to not mess up your room, just do that. And now that you got your desired light, you wanna do your archery, which everyone knows how to do an archery table. Like, it is very fun. What you gotta do is put those there, then put these on there. And if you get a perfect thing, you will be able to, like, let's say, get a bow, and then get this. Oh, I did. And you got that. It'll, like, if you get a perfect bullseye, you'll get that line. And now for the beds, get some red beds. Put these above them. And if you want to, you can do some great archery. And it will be super fun. You might be asking how you get out. He's right there. And now you got a perfect arching from your bed thing. Like if you hit it in the middle. Both of them. Oh, never mind. I just like doing archery. And next what you want to do is the outrance. You might be asking to use the same thing. No, that's boring. So what you gotta do is you gotta hit right there. You gotta go under this trap door. Go under this trap door right here and start building a redstone contraption that will lead to the entrance and you know, then you put and then you wanna put this right here, then you put an iron door because yeah, who really cares? And now you wanna just block it up. Let's block it up. Okay, now that it's blocked up, when you hit it, when you absolutely will hit it, you will open it and hold on, I just need to, there we go. So, and when you hit it, it will open that door. And yeah, so you might be asking, where will we do the entrance? Well, now that you ask, go over here. And of course we need a trapdoor. Like, who doesn't need a trapdoor? And now we need a ladder. A ladder? Where's a ladder? Okay, now that you got a ladder, you need to make a climb up. And now, time for the looking at it. Now time for the rate. The cave house. So, okay, let's do it. So, you press the lever inside the thing, then you do that. You got some arching coal, and then you get in your bed and you do another little arching. You sit by the campfire, and then you hit that, and I heard an Enderman, and then you climb up here, do that. And that was the whole tour of the underground cave house. I hope you all have had this idea. It's very good. Now, we like to say, JT, what would you like to say? And did you know if a lightning hits a creeper, it will make a charged creeper? Yep, and yeah. So, anyways, I hope y'all really like this video, and I hope y'all really will like your house. And please, you don't have to, but please like the video and subscribe. I'm not saying you have to, just you can if you want. You're welcome.
But you should.
No, you're welcome, and goodbye.